everyone. For today's video, let us talk about the application of derivative in real life. But before we proceed, let us define first what is derivative.
The definition of the derivative is the slope of a line that lies tangent to the curve at the specific point. The limit of the instantaneous rate of change of the function as the time between measurements decreases to zero is an alternate derivative information. Another definition of derivative is a contract between two parties which derives its value or price from an underlying asset. The most common types of derivatives are futures, options, forwards, and swaps. As we define derivative, let us proceed to the application of derivative. There are various applications of derivatives not only in maths and real life but also in other fields like science, engineering, physics, and etc. But let us discuss first the application of derivatives in real life. So we have to calculate the profit and loss in business using graphs, to check the temperature variation, to determine the speed or distance covered such as miles per hour, kilometer per hour, and etc. Derivatives are used to derive many equations in physics. In the study of seismology, like to find the range of magnitudes of the earthquake. One of the application of derivative in real life is to calculate and loss in business using graphs. For example, if you run a business selling ice creams, derivatives can help you decide what quantity you should sell. Your manager gives you some data how your business has been performing over the past few months. You tabulate the data and draw a curve to see the trend. You sell each ice cream for $10. So the x-axis shows the number of units you produced. The y-axis shows the cost you incurred. You seemed impressed with the growth shown in the graph. However, you are curious why the curve is getting steeper as the quantity increases. Your manager tells you that since for producing more ice cream you need more milk, he reaches out to milk sellers in other areas of the city to provide milk. So, the transportation cost increases, hence the steepness in the curve. At this moment, you can feel happy that your product is in demand and that your business is growing. Now, derivative can tell you the instantaneous slope of this graph. Slope tells you the marginal cost or the change in cost or change in unit produced of producing every additional unit at the instant. If this cost is more than $10 or your selling price, you are making a loss at that point. Derivatives help us understand how larger things are made from smaller things. And that's it. I hope you learned the different application of derivatives in real life.